Okay, I'm Kevin and I'm back here with another video showing you this time how to create a landing page for your Blitz campaign. Now, the reason you want to create a landing page is that I'm going to show you in the next video how to drive traffic to this landing page. It's going to give you a lot of exposure, and this is going to take you to the next level of getting people into your Rippln. It's kind of the difference between throwing a rock into a pond and throwing a 1-ton boulder in. You're going to make a big splash with this. I'll guarantee it. So before we get started and showing you the other half of it, I'm going to show you how to set up a landing page because you're going to need that. Essentially, it's a website that people go to where they click through onto your video that they need to watch so they can sign up to get into your Rippln. I use Google. It's pretty easy to work with. It's free of charge and it'll do the job. So I've already created an account here, and then you go to Google Sites or sites.google.com, and then you hit the create button, and then you start with a blank template because I'm providing you a template that you can use, which is the same one you use for the email campaign, and you're going to insert the same template into a blank page. You create a name for your site. I'm just going to call it Rippln. Now, I don't know, just call it 2015 or something, whatever you want to call it. Then you go in here and you type in this code, and then you hit create, and that's about it. It'll take a couple of minutes for it to it doesn't like that. Well, let's try 16. See if it likes that name. You can use any name you want, but that's just the ones I'm using. So feel free to create this page whatever name you want, which is also that URL. And if you look up here, you see that URL. It's been created. Okay, you go over here to the edit page, and then you just click on that. It's going to bring up the editor. Give a website a name. I just use a title. Now is the time. Alright, then you click into the box, and this is where you're going to bring up your template. So I have a Word template, and again, this is the same one we used for the email campaign, and you just copy that and paste it into this document. Okay, now I've also included a logo that you can bring in, and so to bring that logo, you probably need to save it to your picture files or whatever, and to get to it you just hit image, choose file, and I'm in my picture directory. There it is right there. Just open it up and it'll bring it in. Okay, and then you hit OK, and it'll insert it, and I want to go ahead and hit the center align button, so it'll just line that up. Okay, and you might want to tighten up this copy a little bit. Okay, now if you again notice here that you've got these places to put your link, and that's where you need to insert those links and your name. So again, go back to Rippln. You want to go back into where your code is. This is again in the marketing tab, and this is going to be available during the Blitz. So this is the code that's going to link your page to the video that's going to create your Rippln. See if I can get that picked up. Alright. And normally you just go in there and you paste it. But I want to make sure this link's going to work. So what I'm going to do first of all, now that I've got that copied, I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to exit out of this back office. Okay. And now I'm going to go over to Google and just paste in that URL and hit enter. Make sure it's working. And it is. Okay, so I'm going to go back in here and just recopy that one more time. Go back into the website, into the web editor, and repaste that. Okay, so that I know that link is going to work. Because if your link doesn't work, it isn't going to do you any good. Alright, those are done. I'm going to type your name in. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay. And then what we want to do, make sure I'm out of there. I want to test these links. Okay, so now everything looks good. Then you come up here and hit the save button, and that'll save it, and then create the web page, and there's your web page. There's your landing page. Looks good. Looks like everything's where it needs to be. Test the links, just make sure they're good. And it looks like that's going to work. And so that's how you do it. And just remember, you know, get everything set up the way you want it. Use that template. Make sure those links work using the workarounds I've showed you. And now that you got your landing page ready to go, in the next video I'm going to show you how you're going to drive a lot of traffic to that landing page and give you the ability to really step it up and do this on a level that's going to get you a huge Rippln that's going to put you way ahead of the curve. Okay? Alright, we'll talk to you later. Take care.